If you're filing a green card for your spouse, parent, child, or sibling, stop. USCIS just dropped a new policy memo on August 1st, and it could delay, deny, or deport your loved one. Let me break it down for you fast. This new USCIS policy memo, PA 2025-12, tightens the rules for family-based immigration. Here's what it means for you. More interviews. Even if your I-130 is solid, USCIS can now require interviews a lot more often. They didn't used to, especially if there are multiple petitions that have been filed for the same person. Or you married shortly after entering the United States. It's going to raise the red flags. There's a big age gap between you and the other partner. Or you've been separated and living in separate cities. There's going to be new vetting rules. If USCIS thinks your spouse or relative can't adjust status, like overstaying a visa or has a removal order, they'll automatically send your case to the National Visa Center. Even if you asked for adjustment of status, they're going to force you to leave the country to try to get your green card. They can also issue a notice to appear. That's a deportation notice saying they're going to start immigration court proceedings against you, even I-130 is approved. The I-130 doesn't protect your family member from ICE. Filing from abroad, you can file directly with the United States consulate, but only if you're a U.S. citizen stationed abroad working for the military, or your particular type of government job that you're doing, or if there's a temporary blanket approval during a crisis like a war or a natural disaster. Here's what I tell my clients. If your family member has any immigration history issues, like overstays, deportations, multiple entries, arrests, get legal advice before you file. If you're married but living apart, or you filed multiple petitions, you will face extra scrutiny. If USCIS asks for an interview or sends your case to the National Visa Center out of nowhere, it may mean they already suspect your eligibility. I'm attorney Sergio Benavides. I'm based in the San Francisco Bay Area and have helped hundreds of families stay out of trouble. I've helped them avoid delays and denials and even deportation by getting in front of these problems before they become problems. Book a consultation with my office today and talk to a real licensed attorney, especially now. Don't gamble with your future. My link is in the bio. Follow me for real updates and not rumors.